Hello guys, and welcome to episode 2 of how to use your computer for dummies. In this episode we'll be looking at how to install antivirus software and anti-advertising software so that your computer is protected from viruses, scams and all other varieties of stuff that you don't want on your computer. Now, in this episode we're going to be looking at a variety of different antivirus softwares, how they stack up against each other, the free ones, the paid for ones, and how to get a hold of them. So I'm going to just load up my web browser. So in this case I'm going to be using Firefox. If you use another browser it could be different, so please don't be alarmed if you can't find certain options and things along the way. We're going to be using Google most of the time anyway, so you should be able to navigate through your web browser with ease. So we're going to go to the Google toolbar here, and we're going to type in Avast. Now, Avast is a free antivirus software. It's pretty good, so if you want to use it, we'll install it on our computers. This is the home page that it looks like. You can download the paid for version or whatever, but we're more worried about the free version, so we're going to get the free one. So if we click on download, no thanks, we want the free protection. And then we want to hit download now. So a little box will pop up. You have chosen to open Avast free antivirus setup.exe. So we want to save this file and it will start downloading. So once this is downloaded, we're going to be installing it onto our system so that our computer is protected from viruses and other malicious software that you may come across when browsing the internet or installing other software. So it's got about 5 seconds to go. And we're done. So if we click on this, it will say, do you want to run this file? And sure, it says publisher Avast software and where it was downloaded to, so we're going to hit run. Now as you can see, Avast is loaded. It'll come up with a configuration option, so we can either go with the express install. Most free software come with like toolbar add-ons that you probably don't want or never use. It just takes up memory, so make sure that all of these are unticked. So yes, we don't also install the Google toolbar, no we don't want that. And make Google Chrome our default browser, no we don't want that. So if we go onto express install, and then it'll come up, you can click on next here. If you want to read the license agreement and stuff like that you can do, but there's no point. And now the program is installing. Now Avast is one of the better free softwares that you can get. Another good one is AVG Guard, and that again is a free software. You can download it, install it in exactly the same way as we're doing this one, and there is a paid for version as well should you want to upgrade and get the full version. So you have now 30 days of protection. During the next couple of weeks we prompt you to register the free version or purchase our premium protection, so we're going to register right now. So let's click on next and click on finish.
Welcome to Avast.
So Avast is starting up the scan, and it's going to just scan our computer for us just in case we may have any other software that we shouldn't have.
Scan has been completed.
So no threats are found, which is good. So if we click on that, your Avast software will appear in the tray bar down here. If we click on it, we are secured. So we want to register this product. So we want the free protection, so we're going to hit on the register button down here. So first name Bob, last name Bob again, your email address, obviously you guys can contact me if you wish. I don't really care, I don't really use that email much anymore. So how likely is it we would just give it whatever rating you want to, it doesn't really make a difference. So we're going to register this product with our email address.
Avast virus database has been updated.
Again, you get the annoying little woman saying that Avast has been updated. You can turn this off if you wish, but we're going to leave it on for the time being while Avast updates. So now that your product is registered, you should be able to use the free version forever. You don't have to buy now. If you click on your subscription, you can go in the trial. You're in the trial mode. Insert license file. That's if you buy the product. So you've got virus chest, scan logs. So no viruses were found. It will also list any logs that you've manually scanned, and any other things about the Avast software are noted here. So now you've got your antivirus protection. Let's look at what I believe is the best antivirus software out there. So in your Google toolbar, type in ESET, then nod 32. Now, it is the first one that comes up on Google, so eset.co.uk. Click on this, and this is what it looks like. This is the web page. Now, if we're going to pause that because we don't want to listen to the little YouTube video that it's got going, you can watch this at your leisure if you want to go onto it. Now, this is the best paid for software that I've ever come across. It's better than Norton, it's better than McAfee, it's better than Kaspersky, it's better than any other software that I've ever come across. I've never had any problems with it. I purposely downloaded viruses just to see if it detected it, and it's absolutely killed every single one. I use it. I've got it already installed on my computer. I'll give you a quick demo as to how to use it. So this one you have to pay for. There is a free trial version that you can download. However, I do highly recommend that you do purchase this product if you're going to have full protection on your computer. So go to the buy now page, go to the download page. It will still bring up the same thing, so you can choose whichever option you want. So we want the home user one, so download software. You want the EET Smart Security. Now this includes the nod 32 antivirus and the other stuff. So basically it's an all-in-one thing. So this comes with email protection, social media scanner, so it comes with a Facebook built-in scanner that will scan your friends' profiles and your profile for any viruses. There's an anti-malware blocker on it. It's basically an all-in-one thing. You won't need anything else. So click on the download, buy it now, free trial, install it how we did the other one. So I'm going to click on my EET Smart Security 6. I've already renewed the license, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. So we're going to open it up, and this is what happens when you've got it fully installed. You get the home, computer scan, update, settings, setup, tools. Now the setup, you can change this to enable or disable any amount of options that you want on here. So we've got network, so we've got a personal firewall that it comes with, email or web access, so anti-spam, anti-phishing. It'll scour all your emails and things and notify you if anything's suspicious or whatever. You've got parental control that you can enable and disable. And what I like about it, it's got a gamer mode. Now when this is enabled, it'll limit ESET's activity using web data and things like that, so that it doesn't take away anything from your gaming experience. Now this is vital if you're going to be using games at high end, or you're going to be playing games a lot online. Just turn this on and you shouldn't experience any problems with the software or whatever. It's a very, very, very good software. I highly recommend you get it. So we're going to just do a quick smart scan. I doubt there'll be anything that's found on it, but if there is something, that'd be wicked because we can use it as an example. But I doubt it. and this will just show you how the software works. So scan your entire computer for any viruses. I highly recommend that you get either a free virus software program or a paid for one, just so that your computer is protected. Again, it's just scanning, so we're not going to be too worried about that. While that's working, we're going to have a look at another great sort of, it's not really an antivirus, it's more of an anti-advert and phishing sort of thing, and it's called Malwarebytes. So if we type in Malwarebytes on this search thing, it comes up with a suggestion already, so we want to hit that. Malwarebytes looks like this, so we know that this is the correct one, and we want malwarebytes.org. So we can either go for the free one or the buy it now one. Again, it's entirely up to you. What this does is basically scans your computer for any sort of malicious software that your antivirus thing hasn't picked up. Now with Nod32 you probably won't need this, but it's a very, very good free version if you're going to use it in conjunction with some of the free antivirus software that we've already downloaded. Now the free software versions may not pick up certain viruses, so you're not 100% guaranteed protected. However, if you use the free software with other free software, say for instance Malwarebytes, another one is Lavasoft. I'll just quickly show you the Lavasoft. Is SE Personal Adware it's called. This is another excellent anti-malware software. Again, you can use the free version forever and a day, and it's excellent. I highly recommend it. You can download the full version, and this will also protect your computer against malicious software. It kind of doubles up as an antivirus as such. I'll just quickly type in a couple more. So we want AVG. That's another sort of great antivirus software. It's another free one. The logo looks like that, so you know you're on the right site if you've got that logo. Again, you can download it. This is what the site looks like, and get AVG for free. Kaspersky is another great antivirus software, not as good as ESET, but it's ranked, I believe it was ranked second highest antivirus software for being able to detect the most viruses, stuff like that. It came seconded only by Nod32. I wouldn't really go for McAfee or Norton, just because they take a lot of resources out of your PC, and this can also have an adverse effect on your PC. It can slow it down. There's a lot of add-ons with Norton and McAfee. I tend to avoid them like the plague. This one's quite lightweight. It's really good. It's a little less than the other two, but I strongly advise you avoid McAfee because it's crap. It doesn't really do anything. It's not very good with detecting certain viruses, and there's a lot you can miss out with it, and it's far too expensive for the money. So I hope you've learned something in this video. Please give us a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to us to see more videos that we've done, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you very much for watching.